Okay guys, Junkyard Junkie back here with another video. Today we will be replacing a low side AC line on a 2006 Nissan Altima. Okay, so here is our replacement port. There's the low side port, and this part goes down to the AC compressor. If you see here, it will go down to the AC compressor, it will go up, go around, and go into the expansion valve right there at the firewall. Okay, first things first, you want to make sure the whole system is evacuated of all refrigerant. You can take that to a mechanic shop, get them to evacuate it for you. And when you're done, you can either refill it yourself with gauges and a can, or you can use one of the fill bottles from the parts store. We've already had this evacuated, but if you got gauges, we can verify, and that's what we're about to do. Okay, I have the gauges set up to the low side and the high side, and as you can see by our readings, let me get you zoomed in now. We are at 0 psi, which is exactly where we want to be before we start this. Okay guys, so this is a 12mm socket. Let's get it on there, break it loose. You can use a regular ratchet, but I'm going to use electric. Now the system may still be under pressure, so as I pull it up here, it may pop. Just be aware of that. It didn't, so that's good. Alright, so we're going to take this bolt off. It's a little 10mm. Okay. Try to go around this one. Okay, for this part where it goes into the expansion valve, it is a 10mm. This part actually holds both sides of it. You just gotta get in here. There's not much room to record, so don't lose the bolt. That's 10mm. Okay, after you have this clamp right here, you want to spin it off the other line. Once you do that, we're going to get a little screwdriver, and we're going to actually hold the expansion valve and pull because it's in there tight. Okay, so stick the screwdriver in there. Just give you a little bit of leverage slash prying. Once you get it to start coming, just wiggle it, and out it comes. Now we just gotta route it through. Okay, so first things first, we're going to take off this PCV hose. Just get some pliers, pull it back, and then wiggle it off. They can get on there pretty good. Alright, now that that's out of the way. Okay, so we're going to take these off. This wiring harness is in our way. I'm going to try to free up just enough room. There's one more bolt right here, and there should be one more underneath. Let me get you in a closer shot. Okay, so now that you took that bolt out, you can just kind of slide it to the side. And down here, one more bolt we want to take off. Right down there where my fingers. The angle, but it's right down in there. Okay, once you get that bolt out, it's a 10 millimeter. There's a 10 millimeter hole in the bracket, and in front of that 10 millimeter closer to you is a 12 millimeter. You don't have to take the 12 millimeter off. That should give us enough flexibility to snake it through. Okay guys, so it's definitely going to take fan dangling. Okay, so underneath this is two little tabs. Just going to press that in. So now then, you're going to have fun fishing it right back through. So let's start with the side that's going to go to the AC compressor. Make that bend. It's going in a little bit easier so far. Fingers crossed. Now don't bend your AC line. This thing's in the way. There we go. We're almost there. There we go. A lot easier going in than coming out. Just get everything into place. Alright, so we're just going to put our little white clip back in there. That's going to hold this line. Go underneath. Just like that. And we're going to put our bolt back in up here. Okay. Now then we're going to move and get the firewall. Alright, so first we're going to take this cap off. Alright, now we want to get this all the way down here, this little end piece. And you're going to stick this through. Why is it? It's a little bit. Stick it on there like that. Okay, now that you got that back in there, all we gotta do is hook it up to the AC compressor. Okay guys, now that you got that in there, that 12 millimeter bolt, all you gotta do now is put these bolts in, and after that you will be good to go. We just gotta put a suction on it and then fill it up with AC. Alright, now that you got those on there, don't forget the ones in the back, your PCV hose, and then you want to come down and everything's good to go. Okay guys, if you found the video helpful, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.